Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating the Pixel 6a and preparing two numbers, one for your main WhatsApp, one for the secondary account. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps. Make sure Google Play and WhatsApp are installed. Now, install WhatsApp Business from Play Store for the second line. This is faster than cloning. You're doing this because WhatsApp Business acts as an independent app. It allows two WhatsApp sessions on one device without complex workarounds. Next, install and launch WhatsApp Business and follow the on-screen verification using your secondary phone number. Use SMS or call verification. Make sure to accept permissions for contacts, storage, and microphone, otherwise messages or media might fail. Once verified, restore any backups if available, but note backups are separate per app. You do this because each WhatsApp app manages its own identity and storage, so both apps can run independently and receive messages simultaneously. Finish by customizing notification tones and chat settings for each app so you can tell them apart quickly. Set different ringtones and profile photos. Make sure background data is enabled, otherwise messages may delay. If something goes wrong, restart the Pixel, confirm the secondary number can receive SMS or calls, and re-verify in WhatsApp Business. If verification fails, temporarily disable call forwarding or dual SIM routing. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.